given the ingredients of ranch water, it should taste pretty good with chicken. I mean, it's not too much of a gamble here. I know it's gonna taste good, but it's just how good. So let's get a ranch water ready, and let's try the white meat first. That's good. A lot of people don't like the M word, but it's definitely incorporated in the description of this. You can taste the lime. It's really good. Let's try the dark now. That's awesome. That's definitely awesome. You can taste the jalapeno and the lime. And it's just it's got that refreshing taste and smell to it. So this was definitely a win. I'll be doing this again for sure.